All right, we're back. Brandon,
Steven, so excited.
This is Xhausted. We just got a shipment in straight from Simi Valley, California. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you, Cameron. If you're watching this,
yes.
which I hope you are.
Cameron,
we're just opening this.
You are the man. You are the man. You are appreciated.
Yeah. We got an excellent blade, as you can see, to open this up.
Yes.
And the lighting is a little terrible for this, but
about to be better.
Let's see if we can shed some light on the situation.
This is my throwing knife.
It's a hell of a knife.
It is. It's a juicy one. You don't have to actually stick them with the point.
Yeah, it'll stick anywhere.
If it just hits them.
Oh man.
My goodness.
This is beautiful. Oh yes. Perfect.
Oh.
Better than advertised.
My goodness.
Oh man.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that beautiful. Oh.
Wait.
Is she gonna work it?
Come here, you beautiful thing.
Eric, let me hold something.
God almighty, it's heavy, yes.
Look at this thing. It looks like trash right now, but you wait. Just you wait. And we might be skipping videos for this, but we do have a supercharger for that.
Oh, yes.
We can make that work. You
Dude.
can cut it right there and it'll
yes.
fit. Oh, let's get it on. Let's get it on film.
Dude.
It's going to be a perfect fit.
It's so horny.
So horny.
It is freaking horny.
Yes.
And it's got that flatness. Like
you wanna try to fit it up in the truck?
Yes, I do.
All right.
All right. That is what I wanted.
Shop lights are on. Tripod light is on.
All right.
I'll hold the hood.
Yeah, that'll work.
Damn.
The supercharger's gonna sit there.
Oh, it's perfect. You ever seen something so horny under the hood of a vehicle?
If I were under the hood, I would be hornier than this horn. Look at that. That is gonna look cool as mess. I love it.
Now if we had two of them exactly the same.
Jesus. You ain't gonna find another
one.
Oh no.
Man.
This thing is an antique. This thing is a euphonium.
Yeah.
Dude, it's gonna be so good. And it's gonna shorten up just a taste.
Just a touch, yeah.
Oh, it's perfect.
Perfect.
Dude, I can't take it. I need a big piece of styrofoam to keep this thing in so that it's perfect. I got the hood.
Okay.
Just let it down. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Brandon.
You don't know how many hours went into research to find this horn.
This
Baritone
is a velocity stack.
Yes, that's what we're going to be using it for, velocity stack. It's going to be the only velocity stack that you'll ever see on YouTube like this.
Yep.
I promise.
I bet it works good. This is creativity.
Yeah.
This is hot rod ingenuity. And I love it.
And as you see, I don't know if you can see it a little bit, but it is beat up and stuff like that, but I promise you.
She gonna be pretty.
She's gonna be pretty.
She gonna be.
And she gonna be rubbing it all night.
I'm gonna be rubbing it more than all night. This thing's got like stuff on it, like written.
Yeah, what is it? Let's see.
Is it upside down?
Shows you how much we know about.
I'm far from a musician.
Oh yeah. Man, it's hard to
hang on. I
That's
rubbed
hard.
this thing with some polish and
Yeah.
it might show right up.
Steve, what size is your Pro Charger here?
That is a P1SC.
P1SC.
Yep, P1SC Pro Charger. I think they're good for like 700-800 horsepower or something like that.
Yeah.
With a max
And
pulley.
we're gonna be running a bigger pulley on it. It ain't gonna be nothing small. We're not trying to blow up the stock bottom end on the 5.3 on the white truck.
Between the nitrous and the boost.
Yeah.
We're gonna need methanol.
Yeah.
To keep it alive. You know.
But here's the intercooler for it. We already got the intercooler. And we're
already
working,
got it fitted.
And we're working on a little bit of something down here. Right down here. Yeah, we're working on something down there. And we'll update you on that a little bit later. Let's see what Steven's doing over here.
Trying to see what brand name this thing is.
I'm sure Cameron knows all the dirty deets of it.
He probably does.
I gotta text him real quick.
Showed right up.
Man.
Ambassador.
Ambassador.
I like that. I feel like an ambassador just holding it. It says ambassador. It's got a little house built on top of it or something. And then it says, looks like maybe some Roman numerals or something.
Okay. Well, anyway.
Yeah.
Here's the horny hood.
So horny.
I think, man, she's gonna clean up quite nice.
Dude, it just rubs the stuff right off of that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Wait for the shine.
Just heat it up a little bit.
Wait for the shine.
Man, I mean, it's like a mirror right now.
Zephyr polishes. About to show off. Oh
my God.
My goodness, she gonna shine, boy.
Look at that sheen.
Wait until the machine polished happens.
And as you can see, we do have some machine polishing happening.
Yes, we
on
do.
The wall.
It's gonna be beautiful.
You gonna try to knock these out?
I sure am.
Yeah. It ain't gonna be that hard.
Nope. Man, I'm so excited.
You gonna be working on this thing all night. You ain't gonna have no sleep. Nope. No sleep.
Sorry, Green Bean. I was gonna wrap that bed, but it might take a delay.
Yeah. If you're following the Green Bean project, this is its current state. If you're not, I understand. We haven't really shown it that much on the channel. I mean, it was in the one of the fan videos, I think, in the background, because Alexis was actually tinting the windows in the back seat. We talked to her for a second. Other than that,
yeah, what is that wrap? 3M.
Yeah, it's 3M 2080. I can't.
Matte pine green metallic.
Matte pine green metallic.
I think that's the color.
So it's a really cool color.
Yeah, it's got a lot of Bondo dust on it right now.
Yeah, it's dusty.
If you look at that door, that ain't got no dust. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool color.
It is. It come out pretty good too. To be like the paint was so bad. I mean. Yeah. I had to wet sand everything. I did everything CK Wrap said not to do. I wrapped bad paint without polishing it.
Tell me